This morning, paper license plates are officially a thing of the past across the state of Texas.
That's right. As of today, drivers will leave the dealership with metal tags installed, which lawmakers hope will now curb crime. Our Devon Rahming joins us live in the newsroom with more on this change. Devon, what can car buyers expect when heading to the dealership moving forward?
Well, Steph and Jacob, good morning. This change has been in the works for a couple years now, and lawmakers say there have just been too many cases of criminals exploiting paper tags. Now, a tragic example of this happened back in 2021 when a New Orleans police officer visiting Houston was shot and killed near the Galleria. The suspect in that case was using fake paper tags created through a loophole in state law that allowed fraudulent car dealerships to print and sell paper plates. This has all caused major issues for some drivers, everything from toll violations to crimes committed in their names. Using metal plates, police say, is a step in the right direction, but criminals will look for new ways to adapt to these changes.
Without paper tags, crooks are going to need, some way to hide the identity of their car, and stealing a hard tag is one way. More than likely, we're going to see is more of a rise of the stolen hard tag.
Law enforcement is now advising drivers to switch out the standard screws on your metal plates with tamper-resistant screws, which once installed, they require a special matching tool to be removed to help prevent thieves from stealing your plates, now that paper plates are in the past. So what can drivers expect with this change? Well, there are 4 new kinds of temporary plates metal plates that will be used instead of paper ones, including when a driver hasn't committed to the purchase, during the test drive, or loaner cars. They'll also be used for people planning to register their car in another state. And finally, they'll be considered with limited use driving restrictions. In the newsroom, Devon Rahming, KHOU 11 News.
All right, Devon, thank you. 6:30.